Hi, everybody. I just wanted to welcome you to Module 5. Before I do that, though, I wanted to wrap up a bit about the past two modules where we focused on personal strengths. So you've taken a couple of assessments, including the Strengths Finder and the Values in Action, or VIA, and they tap into different types of strengths. So the Strengths Finder taps into the how you do what you do, whereas the VIA, or Values in Action, gives you information about your character strengths. So those positive traits that you possess and that make you who you are. So I want you to keep working on those strengths as you move throughout your life and throughout this course, of course. And remember also that there are strengths of talent that we aren't even tapping into here, such as an athletic talent or an artistic talent, a gift for writing or photography. So remember that people also have those types of strengths, and that isn't what those measures are tapping into that we just took. But I would challenge you to continue working on being strengths spotters in your own life. So not only to continue to recognize your own strengths and hone those strengths, but also to recognize the strengths of others in our lives and to name those strengths for people and try to help them hone their strengths as well as leaders. So moving on to Module 5, strengths are not forgotten, but we keeping our momentum. Now we're going to focus on emotional intelligence. So in this module, you have the opportunity to learn about emotional intelligence, or EI. You may already know about emotional intelligence, some of you. You may already know your emotional intelligence, but you might learn more, and some of you may not know that, and so that's great too. You'll be learning more. So it's been around for a while, over a decade, but it's still a hot research topic. We know from the research that emotional intelligence is one of the top assets that employers look for. We know that emotionally intelligent people are easy to work with. They're very empathic. They tend to be more cooperative. They can handle pressure more easily than those with lower emotional intelligence. And people high in emotional intelligence are also good listeners. So there are a lot of good outcomes associated with emotional intelligence. The good news is that there are ways to boost emotional intelligence if you're not already high in emotional intelligence. So stay tuned for that in this module. Also in this module, we're going to cover the difference between scholarly and popular resources, which is important information to know since you're now scholarly writers and you're honing those skills. So everybody, let me know if you have any questions, and I hope you have a wonderful week.